Welcome everyone. Problem on alkene. NO2 CH double bond CH2 HBr product. When NO2 CH double bond CH2 reacts with H plus, there are possibilities for the formation of two types of carbocation. One is NO2 CH2 CH2 plus, which is a primary carbocation, and another is NO2 CH plus CH3, which is a secondary carbocation. Though it is a secondary carbocation, it is less stable because the NO2 group is an electron withdrawing group. Therefore, the primary carbocation is more stable than the secondary carbocation. So, the primary carbocation reacts with Br minus to form NO2 CH2 CH2 Br. This is an anti-Markovnikov addition product. Compounds bearing a strong electron withdrawing group like CF3, NO2, etc. add to HBr according to the anti-Markovnikov rule. Thank you for watching this video.